أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم ويدرأ عنها العذاب أن تشهد 4 شهادات بالله 4 شهادات بالله إنه لمن الكاذبين والخامسة أن غضب الله عليها إن كان من الصادقين ولولا فضل الله عليكم ورحمته وأن الله تواب حكيم ويدرأ عنها العذاب أن تشهد 4 شهادات بالله 4 شهادات بالله إنه لمن الكاذبين والخامسة أن غضب الله عليها إن كان من الصادقين ولولا فضل الله عليكم ورحمته وأن الله تواب حكيم. Now we can start our class. Please come and see what the ayat saying. Wa and yadra'u removed, will be removed, anha from her, al-adaba the punishment, an tashhada if she swears, arba'a shahadatin 4 times the witness. If she says 4 times the witness, billahi by Allah, innahu that man surely, laminal kadibin he is among liars. Wal khamisata and the 5th time she should say anna ghadaballahi that the wrath of Allah alayha will be upon her, in kana if he min as-sadiqin among the honest, walawla and if it were not for, walawla and if it were not for, fadlullahi grace of Allah, alaykum upon you, wa rahmatu Allah's mercy, wa anna Allah and surely Allah tawwabun most accepting repentance, hakimun most wisdom. Allah is full wisdom. Okay, this is the meaning in English. Please come, and now I am going to say the meaning in Hindi. Wayadra'u hadayega, yadra'u hadayega, anha उस स्त्री को हटाएगा, अल-अदाबा उस स्त्री से हटाएगा, अल-अदाबा सजा पनिशमेंट, डंडा का पनिशमेंट, अंतशहदा ये अंतशहदा ये औरत ये स्त्री कसम खाते तो 4 शहादाती 4 टाइम वो ये लड़की ये जो वुमन ये जो स्त्री कसम खाती तो उसका पनिशमेंट से छोड़ देगा, हटाएंगे। ऐसा शहादत करने का है बिल्लाही, अल्लाह के ऊपर, अल्लाह के पकड़ के अल्लाह पर ऐसा 4 गवाही देना पड़ती। इन्नहु, फिर वो लोग इन्नहु वह निश्चित रूप से ये मैन, ये पुरुष निश्चित रूप से लमिनल कादिबीन, झूठों में से है। तो वल खामिसता, और 5वां टाइम में ये लड़की बोलना चाहिए क्या है, ये ऐसा बोलना है कि अन्ना वलबल्लाही, अल्लाह का क्रोध, अल्लाह का कोप, निश्चित भगवान का क्रोध, अल्लाह का क्रोध, अन्ना वलबल्लाही, अल्लाह का क्रोध, अलैहा उस स्त्री पर हो जाए, होंगे। इनकाना इफ यदि वह पुरुष मिनस्वादिकीन, सच्चों में से है तो, ये पुरुष सच्चों में से तो ये अल्लाह का क्रोध मेरी ऊपर आ जाएंगे। ऐसा 5वां टाइम में ये लड़की बोलना चाहिए, ये स्त्री बोलना चाहिए। वलौला फज़लुल्लाहि, उसका मीनिंग क्या होता है? वलौला नहीं होती तो, वलौला नहीं होती तो, फज़लुल्लाहि अल्लाह का अनुग्रह, अलैकुम आप लोगों पर, व रहमतहु अल्लाह का दया, अल्लाह की दया, व अन्नल्लाह और निश्चित अल्लाह तव्वाबुन बहुत तौबा स्वीकार करने वाला है, बहुत तौबा स्वीकार करने वाला है। हकीम पूर्ण हिकमत वाला है, पूर्ण हिकमत वाला है। अल्लाह बुद्धि से परिपूर्ण है, अल्लाह बुद्धि से परिपूर्ण है। Now I am going to say this tajweed. Please see. وَيَطْرَأُ عَنْهَا. Here you can see one alif, and also on the alif you can see the sukun. So Quran, in the Quran there is 7 of alifs. So we don't want to read this alif, only we read wayadra'u, and we can avoid this one. हम छोड़ता है इसको, don't carry it. wayadra'u anha, here you can see one noon, and upside there is a sukun. So and after that coming this ha is the letter among sixth letter of ilhar. So we should be here anha. You should be bring the sound of noon, anha, an like this. So we can say here ilhar, anhal adaba. We should bring this sound of sukun out of our mouth. Anha. No need, we don't read this word with gunna. We should be clearly, we want to say anha, anhal adaba. So here anha, after that this alif, and this alif is hamzatul wasl. There is a sword, small sword, the head of sword on it, We don't want it to read this alif and only we anhal adaba. On the lam, the sukun, we should be anhal adaba, like we are reading or reciting like this. An tashhada. See here the noon, there is no sukun. Why not? So you can understand why not. So we should be here at tajweed. Tajweed is ikhfa. We want to we covered the sukun and we read by inside of our nose by gunna. An tashhada. An tashhada. An tashhada. So we are calling it ikhfa. Okay, an tashhada. Arba shahadatim. Yesterday we already arba shahadatim. We studied yesterday shahadatin. This means the iqlab. Here was two kasrat, like this one and again this one, but now there is, we can't to see that one, but there is a meme. So one kasrat gone and we bring one meme and we are reading on the meme on sukun. Shahadatim, shahadatim, shahadatim. We are giving on the meme sukun and we bil gunna we are reciting. So shahadatim billahi. So we can call it iqlab. Iqlab only one letter. After sukun or tanween, the ba will come. Here after the tanween, ba coming. So we can call here iqlab. Al-iqlab means tanween or sukun we are changing into meme, and we are deleting one tanween and the sign of sukun on the noon, and we are bringing a meme and we are reading this one shahadatim billahi, shahadatim billahi, shahadatim billahi. So here the rule of tajweed iqlab. Okay, innahu on the noon you can see the shad, so it is calling noon mushaddada. We should be gunna. Innahu. Here you can see here this harakat lam, and here this harakat fatih. So this waw coming between waw or ya or alif will come between waw and ya will come between two harakatain like this. So we wanted to here this is the mad silat sugra. Only we wanted to innahu. Two times you fold your finger and you can read innahu. The scholars are saying when you are saying innahu, it will come, already came like this. Okay, but the rule is two times you want to fold your finger and read it innahu laminal kadibin. Kadibin, here the ya mad tabi', and here the ayat completing. So we are stopping here. So this the word we are stopping here on fatih, but the Arab the stopping the word is on sukun. So they are saying here mad arimul is sukun. You can see the mad arim, you can kadibin two times, 4 times, 6 times you can learn this word kadibin, 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 like this. Wal khamisata, anna wal khamisata, this one we not reading this one wa and la. Wal khamisata, here shad. Wallaballahi, this one we not reading wallaballahi. Alayha, alayha al-ya al-maddilin, alayha. And after you can see here one alif on it, one mad. So this mad coming because of this hams, Hamzatul Qatr. Alayha, in this alif is Hamzatul Qatr. Hamzatul Qatr means we want to bring its sound clearly out of our mouth. When you are reading here, alayha in, alayha you should be bring your its sound out of your mouth. It is qatul alif of qatr. So this mad is coming because of this alif. So this mad is standing between two words, or with hanging one word. This hanging with this. So we can say this mad is munfasal, because this separated mad. We can say here and here, these two words. So we are calling it munfasil. Mad munfasil, 4 times or 5 times you can fold your finger. You can read 4 times or 5 times, and we are calling it jais. In kana, in the means of in here, in kana here ikhfa. Time is going. In kana min as-sadiqin, here mad arid lis-sukun. Walawla fadlullahi alaykum, here alaykum you should be clearly, you wanted to say the harf mudhara. Wa rahmatuhu, here mad silatu kubra. Wa anna Allah mad shad, here nun sad. Wa anna Allah tawwabun, here see the tanwin, they are written like this. So when you are seeing this type of lam, it means after that coming a letter from 6th letter of ilhar. So here hakim, hakim. So we can say here ilhar. How we read tawwabun, hakim. Okay, now the details I will write in the inside the video. So please you can read and understand and write your opinions. Thanks for watching this video. I request you to subscribe, to like, to help me. Thanks to everybody. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.